Hello everyone, DSM here. I just want to share with you the experience I had on Friday about how I turned a losing trade to a winning trade. So I woke up on Friday morning, I saw a SPY is gapping up and it was climbing and I didn't know what the heck is going on because on Thursday afternoon, after Apple announced their earnings, the SPY was going down and it closed very weak. If you see this on Thursday and you see, come on, this is Thursday and this happened. The SPY was uh, grinding up, but after hour when they saw Apple doesn't have good numbers in their earning report, they started to going down and closed very weak. So what was the problem? The problem was I was holding a big position, short position on NIO going to Friday. NIO bounced on Thursday, November 1st, and it went from 6 to 675. And I was one of those people in Twitter who was saying whoever is dumping NIO in this run up is a pro. November 1st, and I was saying people it's not gonna go higher than this, and everybody was excited to buy NIO, but I was telling people to not chase it. Oh, let's see. When was it? It was 12:35 p.m. on November 1st Eastern time. So November 1st Eastern time, 12:30 was exactly at the top. So we shorted this, and if you pay attention to the volume, let me focus more. The volume was going higher. It started to not making higher than these candles, and if you just delete this candle, you see the volume was increasing. And at 12:30 the volume started to decrease and we took a big short position because I know it's gonna go back to 620 610. But the problem was when I woke up I saw NIO is at 710, $7, 710, 715, and I was panicked because it's supposed to not doing that, and I knew that. So you see, when the market opens, it crashed, and I closed this position with a small win. But at that point, imagine you wake up and you see the NIO is climbing and it's climbing. I asked people what's going on in the chat room, and apparently that was following up of SPY. Where is the SPY? Okay. When a SPY was going up on the hope of a deal with China. So that was the time I said uh, it's against the rule, because it's when I see my percentage of losing percentage is 10%, I always cut losses, no question asked. In this case, I just said, what? What's going on? The deal with China? That was the time I said, okay, guys, you don't need to panic. I got in Twitter, November 2nd, 7:58 a.m. Eastern Time. I said the deal with China, are you kidding me? The deal is about who is going to take the losses. There is no deal. And the reality hit at 8:30 a.m. And I said, so what happened to China deal? It got cancelled or reality hit? And you see the SPY started November 2nd, started to going down, and that was the beginning of the end for SPY on Friday. It started to going down, and bam, it went and cut even the previous day low. Okay, it's here. Previous day low was here, and SPY went even lower than that. So, and some people in Twitter or some of these fools, they force their followers, whoever follows those furu, they said, yeah, buy Apple, buy Fang stock. And I posted this. Yeah, buy Apple. It was 8:30. Apple is going to release a new product and go and buy it. And it was around 8:40 a.m. All of these things are time stamped. Everything is recorded. You can check all of these tweets. And in the chat room, I told specifically our members to not get panicked. Don't worry. 8:40, I said all of these tickers are going down. And guess what? All of them they went down. And I was messing with these fools in Twitter. I was just saying, can you hear me? There is no China deal. And it was even before the market opens. Even before the market opens on November 2nd. Again, 9:15 a.m. before market opens. I said, guys, people are stupid. If you want to buy Amazon, Apple, whatever you want, are you guys stupid? These furus are just forcing you to lose your money. And this happened. This happened in SPY. It crashed. We closed a losing trade at here by not getting panicked. We closed it with profit in, it was around 30 minutes on Friday. Let me see if I can get this. Yeah, it was 10:30. NIO crashed from above 7 to 6:30. So if you know what's going on, which basically I explained for our members, and I'm going to post a couple of other video lessons in our chat room for our members to explain what's going on with NIO, SPY, and all of these things, because you have to know what's going on behind the scenes, what's the fundamentals, and not just get trapped on this fake gap up. So the reason we know this stuff is we do our research, we exactly know what we are talking about, and we are not like our other chat rooms to just force our members to take a trade without telling them what's going on. So before I forget, this is our Halloween deal. If you are interested to check our chat room, you can have 10 days free trial for being in our chat room. This is the best deal you can get, because I know other chat rooms, they don't teach you anything. I've been there, I've done that. So we have a small account challenge, which I started with $5,000 2 weeks ago. Now it's $6,375. I am going to reveal a couple of secrets and tricks about how to grow a small account. These are the tricks nobody else in this industry would tell you because they don't know. And if you are part of these chat rooms, probably you know that there are people in those chat rooms who are trading for years and they didn't get anything. They are still trading below $25,000 account, and they have to follow PDT because they couldn't grow their account. Even after 2 years, people are still trying to grow their account. So this is the deal for you to get 10 days free in our chat room, and this is the deal for our chat room, $79 per month. Um, we are launching screen sharing, long-term trades, and small account challenge. And if you subscribe now, you get all of these with $79 per month. We are going to increase the price to $227, which is a fair price for the value you get for these services. But for now, it's $79 per month, and I cannot guarantee the date I'm going to increase the price, but it's up to you. You can take it now. Whoever takes $79 per month, that would be your price forever as long as you want to be part of our chat room. When we increase the price to $227, this would be the entry level, and you cannot get lower than this. So that was it for today, and I have to go and make the video for our members and explain a couple of things and trades we had. Just wanted to give you what happened in the SPY and trades on Friday. Have a good day. See you everybody in the chat room. Hope you all make money next week. Good luck. Have a good day. Bye.